This video will demonstrate 3-axis simultaneous milling with SWOOD CAM. I'll do a roughing operation to remove some of the material, and then a finishing operation to machine it to size. To ensure the cutters go beyond the edges of the part, a 5mm offset has been added to all 4 sides and the top of the part. I'll rough it with this 16mm roughing cutter. This will be a 3D milling operation. I'll set the depth of cut to 10 and the rapid plane to 25. This 3mm value is how much material we're leaving for the finish operation. This is where material removal, which was demonstrated in a previous video, can be especially helpful. Based on our settings, this is the final result of the roughing operation. I'll finish it with this 20mm ball nose end mill. Best practice is to create a SOLIDWORKS surface that includes all the faces that need to be machined. The surface was created using the SOLIDWORKS surface offset command. This is the path interval, the size of the peak. You can zigzag back and forth, zigzag with jumps, or always go in the same direction. Direction could be along X, along Y, at any angle, or in a radial direction. I'll do a zigzag operation at a 45-degree angle. Here's a preview of the toolpath. Here's the simulation.